Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about identifying and creating appropriate keys for the joins. In Power BI, identifying and creating appropriate keys for the joins is crucial for merging queries effectively and accurately. Keys are the columns or fields in your data that uniquely identify each record or row. When performing joins between tables or queries, you need to ensure that you have identified the correct keys to match the records accurately. Here are some steps to identify and create appropriate keys for the joins in Power BI. Number one is review data structure. So you have to start by reviewing the structure of your data tables or queries. Identify the columns that could potentially serve as unique identifiers for each records. The next one is look for unique values. Examine the data within each candidate column to determine if it contains unique values for each record. Unique identifiers such as customer ID, order number, or product codes are often good candidates for the keys. The next one is combine columns. In some cases, you need to combine multiple columns to create a composite key that uniquely identifies each record. For example, you might concatenate a customer's first name and last name to create a unique customer identifier. The next one is check data quality. Ensure that the identified keys have consistent and accurate data. Check for any inconsistencies, missing values, or duplicates that could affect the accuracy of your joins. The next one is create calculated columns. If necessary, create calculated columns in your data tables or queries to generate unique keys. Use Power Query's capabilities to perform any necessary data transformations or calculations to derive the keys. The next one is use auto detection. Power BI's query editor includes the feature for automatically detecting and creating the keys based on the relationship between tables. Utilize these features when setting up a relationship between your data tables. The last one is test joins. After identifying and creating keys, test your joins to verify that they are working correctly. Use preview or sample data to ensure that the merged data reflects your expectations. By following these steps, you can identify and create appropriate keys for the joins in Power BI, which would ensure that the accurate and reliable data integration for your analysis and visualization is done. We will be talking more about the keys when we will be working with the merge queries. So in the upcoming session, I'll show you how can we merge different queries and how to identify different keys over there. And what if you are having two columns which can serve as a combined key. So this was all for this session. Thank you.